Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Do energy drinks cause kidney stones? The consumption of energy drinks can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, as can many other foods and beverages. What makes energy drinks distinct is that they contain an especially high concentration of compounds known to contribute to kidney stones, including the most common type called a calcium oxalate stone and the less common uric acid stone. /r/n/r/n The culprits in energy drinks include fructose, caffeine, and sodium, which can promote the formation of kidney stones in different ways. Other ingredients like guarana, B vitamins, and artificial sweeteners can do the same. /r/n/r/n Energy drinks are a category of beverage that contain stimulant ingredients and other ingredients thought to increase energy and mental focus. /r/n/r/n Ingredients commonly found in energy drinks include /r/n/r/n Other possible ingredients include taurine, ginseng, creatine, ginkgo biloba, and carnitine. /r/n/r/n A single 12-ounce can of Red Bull contains 37 milligrams, mg, of sugar. That is equal to 9 teaspoons of table sugar and is more than the total daily intake recommended for adults in the US. /r/n/r/n Different sugars are used in different energy drinks, the most common of which is fructose, usually in the form of high-fructose corn syrup. Others contain sucrose, table sugar, made from sugarcane or sugar beets. /r/n/r/n Sugars like these can contribute to the formation of uric acid stones by decreasing the pH of your urine. When the pH drops below 5.5, the urine becomes saturated with uric acid crystals, which can bind together to form stones. The risk of this is greatest in people with insulin resistance and diabetes. /r/n/r/n Fructose can also independently increase uric acid levels in your urine. /r/n/r/n While it may seem safe to assume that sugar-free energy drinks are safer if you suffer from kidney stones, artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin can increase oxalate levels in your urine, contributing to the formation of calcium oxalate stones. /r/n/r/n Natural sugar substitutes like stevia are thought to be better for your kidneys. /r/n/r/n An 8-ounce can of Red Bull has around 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving, while a 16-ounce can of Rockstar energy drink is around 160 milligrams. To give you a perspective, a 1-ounce cup of espresso has anywhere between 47 milligrams to 75 milligrams of caffeine. /r/n/r/n Caffeine contributes to kidney stones because of its diuretic effects, meaning the ability to promote urination. The excessive consumption of caffeine can lead to dehydration, which, in turn, increases the concentration of oxalate and uric acid in your urine. /r/n/r/n The concern is not so much about caffeine as the amount in a cup of coffee has been shown to decrease the risk of kidney stones. What is concerning is the amount of caffeine per serving in energy drinks. /r/n/r/n While drinking 1 to 1.5 cups of coffee per day can reduce the risk of kidney stones by as much as 40%, drinking more than this can have the opposite effect by promoting dehydration. /r/n/r/n Guarana is a popular natural ingredient found in many energy drinks. The fruit from the guarana plant, Paullinia cupini, has long been regarded as an energy tonic as it contains twice the concentration of caffeine found in coffee beans. /r/n/r/n This can amplify the diuretic effects of energy drinks made with guarana. And, because the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, does not require manufacturers to list caffeine amounts on food product labels, you may have no idea how much you are consuming. /r/n/r/n An 8-ounce can of Monster energy drink delivers 180 milligrams of sodium per serving. That accounts for a large percentage of your recommended daily intake of sodium, less than 2,000 milligrams per day, particularly if you drink more than one. /r/n/r/n Compare that to 1 can of regular Coca-Cola which, while hardly a healthy alternative, only delivers 18 milligrams of sodium per serving. /r/n/r/n Sodium causes the kidneys to excrete more calcium, which increases the chance of developing calcium oxalate stones as well as calcium phosphate stones. A high sodium intake also increases the risk of dehydration, which can promote the formation of both calcium and uric acid stones. /r/n/r/n B vitamins are often regarded as energy vitamins because they stimulate metabolism, the conversion of calories to energy. On the other hand, a vitamin B deficiency can lead to fatigue and a severe loss of energy. /r/n/r/n Though B vitamins only account for a tiny proportion of the ingredients in energy drinks, they are often found at exceptionally high concentrations. This is especially true of vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, which were found to be at over 600% and 10,000% of the recommended daily intake in many energy drinks. /r/n/r/n While levels this high usually don't cause any problems, as the excess vitamin is simply excreted in urine, the excessive intake of vitamin B6 can reduce the excretion of oxalate. This means that there will be more oxalate available to bind to calcium, increasing the risk of kidney stones. /r/n/r/n Energy drinks often contain high amounts of sugar, caffeine, and sodium, all of which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Other ingredients like guarana, artificial sweeteners, and vitamin B can do the same. /r/n/r/n These ingredients do so either by increasing the concentration of urine due to dehydration or by stimulating the production of calcium, oxalate, or uric acid that can bind together to form kidney stones. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.